Check out this 2017 American Hauler all aluminum. 2017 American Hauler enclosed 4-place snowmobile trailer. This 2017 American Hauler enclosed 4-place snowmobile trailer all aluminum, lightweight, rear and front ramp doors and side man door, LED lights, fuel doors, side window. This is a really nice trailer. Model number ASNF729TA2. Overall length 31.3, overall width 8.6, overall height 7.9, front door height 5.3. Interior length 28, interior width 6.9, interior height 61, side door height 66, ramp door width 6.5. This trailer is made to haul cargo, cars, ATVs, or snowmobiles. Price to sell $8,995. Call us at 406-442-2931 or see us at 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana.